Greetings fellow foodies! On this video, we want to represent to you our top choice of restaurants to go to while in Florence, Italy, Part 2. We receive great demands for more restaurants options, and there are so many great restaurants to choose from. The following are our disclaimer. Our recommendations are based on price, taste, originality, hygiene, restaurant environment, hospitality, food presentation, and family friendly. The video will have the pictures of food and restaurant in hope that you can sense the ambience within and decide which one is the most well suited for you and your loved ones. Some of the pictures presented are solely for reference, and some of the pictures are from the restaurant's profiles and specifications. The pictures are presented in an easy layout in hope to give better information for you, the viewers, and future potential visitors. Are you new to this channel? We would like to greet you. Welcome. And if you are a regular subscriber, we would like to greet you. Welcome back. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to check our other video reference on the link above. Now without further ado, our number one choice of top restaurant to visit in Florence will be Mato, with price range starting from $10 to $36. This is a steakhouse restaurant with pizza and food focus on the Mediterranean, Tuscan, Central Italian. We suggest you take a try on their spaghetti alla carbonara, moscato, Fiorentina steak, tiramisu, Chianti classico, pappardelle al ragu, panna cotta, and Carpaccio. You also want to try the mussels pasta with white ragu, and the pasta beef, and limoncello for drinks. Our top number 2 choice will be Cantinetta, Delle, Terme, with price range starting from $24 to $54, with food focused on the Italian, seafood, Mediterranean, European, Central Italian cuisine. Try the paccheri with pistachio pesto, yellowtail macaroni, chicken liver pate, spaghetti vongole, and tiramisu. Our top number 3 choice will be Adagio, Firenze, with price starting from $24 to $48, with vegetarian friendly menu option and gluten free option. Try the eggplant croquette served on tomato sauce, tuna salad with roast potato and tomato, chicken liver terrine, ravioli, cantucci and vin santo, pasta, mussel, Sardinian bread with ricotta cheese, zucchini, tomatoes, and basil. Try the egg pasta with salted codfish, chickpeas pasta with shrimps, and almond pesto. And get the cheesecake and tiramisu for dessert. Our top 4 choice will be Da Settimo, with price range starting from $22 to $80, with food focus on the Mediterranean, seafood, Tuscan, Central Italian, with gluten-free and vegetarian option. Try the grilled orata fish, sauteed artichoke, and roasted potatoes. Try as well ravioli filled spinach, ricotta served with butter and sage, Catalana set seafood. Try the king prawn pasta and chocolate souffle dessert. You also want to try the torta ricciolina with orange. Our top number 5 will be Ristorante Arte di Oriente, with price starting from $8 to $36, with food focused on Chinese and Asian specials, with option menu for vegetarian and gluten-free. Some food suggestions will be spaghetti con verdure and manzo con verdure, Chinese dumplings, Chinese pancake, the Kobe steak, soups, and many vegetarian dishes. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as we have enjoyed making it. Please check out as well our other videos and our Instagram JazzyFeast. Until next time, bye!